Hi friends. Have you started selling on Amazon FBA and are not sure of how to group similar products together on a single page? Or you already uploaded each product separately, only to later realize you want to combine them into a single listing without relisting them? Or are you in search of a guide on how to create a parent-child listing? Have you ever noticed listings with lots of different choices, not just in sizes, colors, or materials, but also in completely different styles? And maybe you've seen that when you click on these different options, they show different pictures, videos, titles, bullet points, and descriptions for each variation or version. You might be wondering how to achieve the same. If any of these situations sound like what you need, this video is for you. This video is designed to help you understand how to merge similar products that are active for sale in your Amazon FBA store into a single listing on one page. This method makes it easier for customers to discover other variations in your shop, related products, and similar products to what they are looking for. This has the potential to increase sales and reduce marketing costs. Today, I'll be using the Jewelry Charms product listings that already exist separately in my Amazon FBA store as an example for you. Let's get started. 1. Preparing. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account, navigate to Inventory, and click on Manage All Inventory. Locate the existing listings you wish to merge into a single parent-child listing. Click on the Edit button for that listing, and it will open the detail page for you. Here, you'll need to copy all the important information and paste it into a Word file or any place where you can easily access it if needed later. This includes the SKU, product ID, subject matter, search terms, product description, bullet points, product name, item dimensions, package weight, unit count, offers, and any other important information. Also, remember to visit your product listing page on Amazon to download your images and videos if you no longer have access to them. This step will ensure you have all the necessary data after combining your listings into a single parent-child listing, and if you need to fill them in again, you won't have to start from scratch. Important. Why is it crucial to complete this step before diving into the creation of a parent-child listing? Based on my experience, once Amazon approves your parent-child listing, the title, bullet points, subject matter, and search terms may appear blank. You will likely need to refill your information into those fields. Other details like weight, sizes, and counts may also initially display as blank, but the previous information is usually available at the top of those empty fields, which you can reuse. However, to ensure accuracy, it is advisable to copy everything into your Word file first. This way, if any information is missing, you can add it without the need for extensive rework. As for photos and videos, Amazon has typically retained them in my listings. Nevertheless, it is always good practice to download and save everything, just in case. Once you have completed this process, you can continue with the same procedure for all the other listings you want to combine into a single parent-child listing. If you have many listings and are concerned about making errors, it is a good idea to start with just 2 or 3 listings initially. Once you have successfully combined them, you can then proceed to copy, paste, and update your other listings with Amazon either immediately or later. 2. Creating a parent-child listing. After you have saved all the information from the listings you want to combine into a single parent-child listing, it's time to create a parent-child listing. Navigate to Inventory, then select Add a Product. Click on I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon, and choose a category that matches your existing product listings. For example, in this case, I will select the charm category. Then click Select. Now, on the detail page. For the product name, write the name you want for your group to help you identify it in the future if you have multiple parent-child listings. This makes it easier to find, edit, and organize your inventories and product listing information. In the Variations section, select Yes. If you have a registered brand name for your shop or existing listings, enter it here. If not, click the box that says, "This product does not have a brand name." For product ID, click the box that says, "I don't have a product ID." Once the Next button is available, click on it to proceed to the next step and provide additional information. Here, for other details like description, product details, offer, and safety and compliance, we will ignore them and leave them blank. Now, click and select Variations, and choose your variation type. For different categories, you may have different variation types. Based on your products and your category, the type of variation Amazon gives you may be a little bit different from what you see here. You need to check and choose what you are looking for, and match it with your category, your products and your needs. For the category I am working on here, I will choose style, because each of my listings is completely different in style and quantity. Please note, the variation type cannot be edited after the parent SKU is created, so take the time to check and choose it carefully. If you have more questions about creating variations, you can click on View How to Create Product Variations here. Now, the Style Variation Type box has appeared. You can start naming the variation box that will appear on the Amazon sales page for customers to click and view your products. Please note, ensure you choose a suitable and concise name for this variation box. It should be simple, short, and clear to make it easy for customers to see and understand or realize the product quickly. If the name is too long and complicated, customers may struggle to identify the product and might not click on it. Additionally, once your parent-child listing is approved, you cannot change this name. If you wish to make changes, you will need to delete the parent listing and start over from scratch, so please exercise caution at this step too. For this listing, I will name my variation style using the initial words and details from the existing title to make it easy for customers to identify the product. After entering the name in the style box, you will notice that more information appears here. Please review your style name carefully to confirm that it is exactly what you want. If it is not correct, make the necessary changes before proceeding to fill out the remaining information. For seller SKU and product ID, copy the information from your Word file or from your listings on the Manage Inventory page. For product ID type, select the same ID type that you chose for your existing listings. For my listings, it is ASIN, so I choose ASIN here as well. For condition, select New. Please note that New is the only option available here. To my knowledge, you can't create parent-child listings for used products or in other conditions on Amazon. For your price, ensure that it matches the list price in your existing listings. If you want to create a sale price as well, click in the Sale Price box and fill in the discounted price, along with the start and end dates for the sale. For quantity, enter 0 for all. Note, please avoid manually adding the FBA inventories here, as it may disrupt your inventory information. By entering 0, Amazon will correctly transfer the FBA inventories from your existing listing, including all of your quantity types, to your child listing without any impact on your inventory level. Once you have finished, please conduct a thorough review. If you notice any missing information, kindly fill in those gaps. Or if there is anything you wish to change, do so now. Once you are confident that everything is accurate and satisfactory, click Submit. After submitting, please be aware that Amazon may take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to approve your new parent-child listing. What should you do if you cannot submit the parent-child listing? If you encounter difficulties while submitting, carefully review your listing for any missing or incomplete information indicated by the red exclamation mark icon. These requirements can vary based on your category and product type, covering aspects such as product identification, description, product details, variations, offer, or safety and compliance. After addressing these missing elements, you can proceed to click the Submit button again. If you continue to face difficulties while submitting, you can follow these steps. Save your listing as a draft, and carefully identify the errors. Then, contact Amazon support to seek assistance with the specific issue hindering the creation of your parent-child listing. Amazon support team can help you pinpoint and resolve any errors. In certain situations, they may recommend creating the parent-child listing via upload method. If you're unfamiliar with this approach, don't hesitate to request guidance and support from Amazon until you successfully create your parent-child listing. Today, I can only provide you with information and details on how to create a parent-child listing manually. I will try to gather and prepare the information and create a detailed video on how to create a parent-child listing via upload as soon as possible. Now, let's proceed to the next part. 3. Complete missing information after listing approval. After your parent-child listing is approved by Amazon, you should open each child listing by clicking Edit on the specific child listing. Check every piece of information and fill in any missing or blank fields. Now it is time to utilize the product listing details you saved in your Word file or wherever you stored it before creating the parent-child listing. Or, if your listing still displays the previous information at the top of the blank box, you can reuse that information. Once you have finished filling in all the necessary information, remember to click Save and Finish so that Amazon can review and update it accordingly. 4. Adding more products to this variation listing. If you have more similar or related products that you would like to add to this parent listing, you can do so by following these steps. From the parent listing, click Edit. Navigate to Variations and add the name you want in your variation type box, which will be displayed to your customers on the Amazon sale page. Continue to fill out all the required information that Amazon needs. Once you are done, click Save and Finish. After Amazon approves your new request, it is crucial not to forget to go into the child listing and fill out all the information again. Missing this step can result in blank information, affecting your keywords, sales, rankings, and more. 5. Additional information you may find useful.
What do I do if I need to update certain details within this parent-child listing?
Except for the price, and sale dates, most other information in your parent-child listing cannot be easily changed. If you find yourself needing to make changes or substantial alterations, you may have to consider deleting the entire parent listing. In such cases, it is advisable to contact Amazon for guidance or to inquire if they can assist in making the necessary changes. They can provide advice and assistance to help you make informed decisions regarding your parent-child listings.
If I delete the parent listing, will all the child listings also get deleted?
My suggestion is to contact Amazon and inquire about this question before deciding to delete it. They will provide you with the correct answer. Based on my experience, when I deleted my parent listing, all the child listings returned to my Manage All Inventory page as separate individual listings, just as they were before I created the parent-child listing. When I created a new parent-child listing for them, they once again appeared as child listings within the new parent listing. However, I cannot speak for everyone's experience with this. In the worst-case scenario where your child listings are also deleted with the parent listing, please reach out to Amazon for assistance. Provide them with the product ID and ask for help in restoring your listings. Amazon usually keeps your listing history. After they restore your listings, you can place them back in your new parent listing if that is your preference. Make sure to thoroughly check and complete any missing details for the restored child product listings. As we come to the end, I hope this video is providing you with enough information and clarity needed to help you create a parent-child listing on Amazon as a way to boost sales and trim advertising costs. If you found value in this video, I would appreciate it if you could spare a moment to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot and will inspire me to share more insights and personal experiences with future content from my businesses and life. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of success with your Amazon FBA business.